Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to make Windows 11 start menu and taskbar black using the desktop theme, dark theme. So first you need to, first way to open personalization, firstly click on your taskbar empty area, click on taskbar settings. And here you see this taskbar, so click on personalization. So you see this personalization settings will be open. And second way, right click on your desktop, click on personalize. So this is second way to open personalization. Third way to open, search settings and open it and click on personalization. So this third way to open personalization. So personalization, open it. To three way to open personalization. Now click on colors and here you see choose your mode. Like I will select this dark, so you need to set custom, select it, choose your default window mode. So you like dark and choose your default app mode. So this is dark, so select this dark and this so select this dark mode, so your window will be dark. So you see this, I will select choose your default app mode. So I will select light, so this app will be light and taskbar is dark. So choose this dark mode. Choose your default Windows mode. So you see this dark, set this dark and you select this whatever you want. So choose your mode. Firstly choose your mode custom and this mode will be dark and use as your wish you select this. So this way you can easily, like I will select this light, so you see this desktop will be light. I will select dark, so this dark mode enable. So this way you can enable dark mode in where, so this way you can make Windows 11 start menu and taskbar black using the dark theme. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching again.